Hi everyone, this is Sharon from Rainy Day Makers here with another project for you. Really easy, fast project. You can use it for the office, anything. These are paper and ribbon covered paper clips. They work great on bunches of paper, depending on the size of the paper clip you use. So right here, I'm going to cut a strip. This is I think it's I don't know, 8x8 piece of paper. I'm going to cut 1.25 inches wide, as you can see there. And then I'm going to cut a 4-inch piece off of this. So 1.5 inches by 4 inches. And then I'm going to just fold it in half so the edges meet. So you can see that. Let me put this away. And then we'll fold in half and then go ahead and clip our corners. I liked a nice rounded corner. If you don't care about a rounded corner, don't clip them. You can also do that rounded corner with scissors as well. So as you can see, it matches up nicely. We'll put it in our little corner clipper. There we go. All right. That's probably the hardest part right there. So let's get this done. I'm going to get out some paper clips. Now, when you fold this in half, it's a 2-inch long piece, right? So you can use a small paper clip. There's a couple of small paper clips there, or a big one. So I'm going to show you how far down the small paper clip goes, and you'll see that it's still doable and leaves more of a decorative part at the end. But you'll see there's a lot of room left at the bottom when you put the small paper clip on, right? So a little bit of a gap there. That's okay. It still works great. I'm going to go ahead and use the big paper clip on this. It goes almost all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to try and make sure it's centered on the width of my paper. So it's divided kind of into threes, as you can see there. There we go. And then the other side of the paper clip, you can see, is going down the other side, and it also is pretty much in the middle. It may look a little bit skewed, but that's okay, because that's the back side, right? So we've got our paper clip attached to our paper. So the next thing we need to do is cut our ribbon. So I'm going to use this cute little burlap ribbon with lace on it to cover the actual paper clip. So the paper clip will get covered on both sides, right? And I just cut it so that it doesn't extend beyond the bottom on either side. And so there's enough to cover the paper clip on both sides. I use Fabri-tac because it glues almost anything. It's pretty thick. So as you put this on here, it's really adhering the paper clip to your paper at the same time that it's going to adhere the ribbon down to your paper and your paper clip. So I'm being pretty generous with the glue, but not too much. You don't want it squishing out the sides of the ribbon, right? The ribbon is the decorative piece, so we're going to put that little bit of ribbon on there, match it up. As you can see, it's a little burlap and lace, really cute. Love a cute ribbon. And we're just going to lightly press it down into the glue so that it covers the paper clip on both sides. But it's also, see, I'm using my thumb to push it down into the glue in the middle of the paper clip as well. And once that sets up, and you kind of have to hold on to it for a minute to let it set up. And once it's set up, you can go ahead and do the other side. And it's just adding glue, just like you did to the front side. You're going to add the glue to the back side. And you're going to be pretty generous, especially towards the top, a little bit more. But remember, you're adhering the paper clip at the same time you're adhering the ribbon. So I had a little bit of some goo in my glue there. So I just kept going up and down the ribbon. If your ribbon is pretty solid, you can just put the glue on your ribbon as well. You don't have to put it on the paper clip and then glue your ribbon down that way. So the next thing you do is I added a button to this one. I just glued a little dot of glue down to the bottom of the ribbon on the front. Right? You see a little bit of paper clip sticking out there. So I put a dab of glue. And then I'm just going to stick my button in the glue. And voila, you have a decorative paper clip. And like I said, office, you can use it in journals, you can use it in your scrapbook, you can use it wherever you want. to use it. So this is one where I didn't add a button as a decorative element. I added a die cut butterfly, and I thought that was awfully cute with the white lace. And there's a large paper clip on that one as well. And you can see how easy that was. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you haven't already. We appreciate you watching our videos. You have a great day.